see another 2 in addition. Nipa 93 Fulani for and Bakuya Ganani.
Oh, so look, as a whole officer that is actually being a spokesperson for the police unit, is it fair enough to come out and say 3 Fulanis, 2 Ghanaians? What are you insinuating? Let me call you sir. So before you get to certain position, you should be always fair in all things. You shouldn't be so rigid but flexible. You shouldn't be discriminative. You shouldn't be biased. You shouldn't be racist. And have you not seen that people are actually exempting mentioning the name of our people? So you want to join the trend, Abi? What is trend for you? You lose if you just say Ibrahim, Yusuf, so and so, Abdullah, so and so. Why didn't you mention the clans or the tribes of those people you called so-called Ghanaians? Why didn't you? Huh? When Abu Trika was arrested, was his clan or his tribe mentioned? It was his nickname, not even his real name. So let's stop being biased. What kind of thing is that? It's as if you people enjoy doing that to us, or you feel like we are inferior, you are upper class Ghanaian, and then we are the lower class Ghanaian, which isn't so. So if in as much as you have to be ethical, you have to be professional. Do not come in any of your submissions and declare as 3 Fulanis, 2 Ghanaians. What is that? What do you mean by that, officer? Some things are not fair. We will not beg you, but demand it. It is so discriminative and biased. It is so not human. It is so not right to do that in any way. And do not repeat yourself, say again. It dehumanizes you. It makes you unprofessional. It is not right.
Abia enti asemu mo fanchame se me kasa ne mo dwetwe sisi ya mo fanchame enra fufia ntwata na kamo bete awehosem nanso no otweda mpokwa me basa yadum boss ruba asase nti we yefrim amasabre me hu eden na we kura de ka me ko hospital akwa komia me kuro e de se me se ka video ya e wosem de somosompa e wogye me media so enra me ma no ba ko menu miense bi me nua ba Olive de I think say me bomo amane abra na makoyi mitiwi a me bafia traffic achi mahwa ha abusua minnim baby a pragia you feno kadai ofri hin pau mani ba me ho so de abusua na me de moja show asore a ende mato ya pe pragia ende matum a ene hospital say sometime onyame adawro man na madawro man tirabusua me koye no na bibia de na akwanmu a prepare na me prepare amino ka say me kuso am treat kuro no ye bobo me mpane ana ho ade nene doctor say ya medwa to me se hwan o je hwan ato na me oji me to ha na Fulani fo no hwan ne be ka mo asem hwan ne be gina nkrofo we su mo hu say still they are not Ghanaians, they are from Chad. Abusua entino eja enra anajo me ba eba be pii mu e ofie ama me no ka say de me ho den anope me san ko hospital because hu say me di mu etutume nanso adwuma time so de a wasema no ye den wi a na mapon mo so one side abusia sa de te me nwa hwe video net waso no na ye hwe se we mu nti ana mkonya accident ndi a ene menya wu ye kwa asema de a meto Fulani fo nsem so abusia menya accident nra ochi da mpo da woroma me ho ye ai they say the pregnancy ball me no eye wonwa de bi free ba chese ye be chechire mo chiri ye be shada be breakdown ekwan fast wa esi ye nyina na machechi mbe kuwie enso me ho den yenkwe gewe kire Ghana for yenya de na sese de ede na esi osache dumase ntumpa na ne abofra keto atimi kasa ne kuro mi hene ho asesebe ne kuro mi hene na abofra keto maame so he na asem hawa the Ghana police service ne kan hawa go to court from all court no mumra enti Ghana ni bebunu pa ne hu se wodi san kwase asem wo ya asem wodi san feli masem wo ya enti nka Ghana police service anase Ghana mpenifo enti nka mo wada me nkochena na Yenya TikTokers mamutana TikTok eka obi wona buru chiri a oba TikToker bi life so ebe threati yewa president wo krum ha se eyo mo de se ye papa hwan ne aboaje mo flight ye kwati tofu ma nkrofo wu ye mo de na sebi anka omo pepeni na mu se nka sebi nko obewu sa na nka omo ka na o media sa no be kan ye sa obi sa threati ne ba ye na busua ye kwakwachi sa TikTokers nyina anje bia ma mi bi koye video ye chi wo mo ama yehu ye papa ba wo miamo ne kokokomi ekoko bele no enti gateway ete ho threaten Ghana omo mpeni for first of all be threaten Ghana for secondly oto ho no ni invite ECOWAS for didi Ghana for asante for ate obi o Ghana ha bi atem enti if a Ghanaian rare Ghanaian there we do atem yenye ne hwe ene de betima ko for police for video address police for ne say next time omo be kasa ono kire police for ne say de yensin kasa dabi mahuniye Fulani ni we Burkina Fulani ni we Burkina ni Fulani ni we wono kire Ghana for police for say the yensin kasa. Damn, this is serious, man. Abusia yankwe na de yenhwe yankrofo eka how dangerous am better na catch us say was start invite UN for me ECOWAS citizen ne ho anwan for no a catch am so munko ECOWAS for no ho nkwaje omo passport because some so be ECOWAS for ne sa da munko ECOWAS for nkwaje passport ne sa citizenship no mo open obi so e de aba beto so me nuanom Libya for ne bi afaya nge na nkasa so wanya adwuma ye sese wona msirim ene obi sese ampa Fulani for Ghana for anomo Ghana for it is what it is the open on blabo mu na so open on sase we so open on Ghana no nsa beka enkom na yeba ya to so aha ejami media edi am jiso na na ya we.
First of all, this Burkina Fulani girl in Ghana is complaining that the Ghana Security Service are deleting their cartels. Now, before I answer her, let me say this. I don't care if this will make you dislike me. I don't care. Fulanis are not indigenous to Ghana. Fulanis are not indigenous to the Ghanaian land. You guys are from Burkina. You guys are from Somalia. You guys are not Ghanaians. Stop forcing it. You never ever be Ghanaians. Stop being delusional Fulanis. That's why the fact that they accepted you here does not mean that you are a Ghanaian. You will never be indigenous. It's that simple. So some cattle went astray, and the Ghana Security Service went ahead, surround them, and deleted all of them. Now, I'm not surprised this happened because they were warned. Stray cows will be slaughtered, fed to prisoners. Ghana mayor wants. So they'll be warning them, keep your cows in check. In Ghana, you either ranch your cattle or you lose them. This is Tema Committee 22. Look at them. Just look at them. And then you refuse to ranch your cattle. If the Ghana Security Service enforce the laws, then you'll be crying. In the Volta region, that's what they used to do. These cows would go into people's farm and destroy their crops. And so the Volta farmers decided to climb back. They took drastic actions, and now those things don't happen in Volta region again. If you allow one person, then another one wants to do it. And now, madam, when she was talking, she said, ECOWAS, you need to allow free movement. President Mahama, Massa, President Mahama will not do anything. You guys are not indigenous. Either you ranch your cattle or you send them back to Burkina. If you cannot send them back to Burkina, send them to another country. But in Ghana here, it's a law-abiding nation. The laws work. If you cannot go according to the laws will take its course. Ranch your cattle or you lose them. Why? You come to somebody's country. It's simple. Respect the laws. Ranch your cattle. Any country you go to, you want them bear the laws for you. We are cattle raiders. We are not these. They give us milk. Ranch them and control getting your milk. Don't allow these cows go to people and destroy. We don't do that in Ghana here. Here the law they work. So you have been warned. If your cattle go astray, they go finish them. That ECOWAS unit them. I say we will pressure you. You relax. ECOWAS unit allow free movement. You are from Burkina because of this. Yeah, so shut up. And it's simple. You Fulanis are not indigenous to Ghana. It's simple.
Say Ghana kuru nyina ope omo a omo pese omo brande omo din a Fulani. Charlie oko gogo krompo ko boshima omo be Fulani kasa na aba. Omo be the name Fulani NIP. Edra na obi bisam say tribes do say na wo Ghana. Charlie, mistakenly I just gave you people the ethnic groups are under 16 region. Charlie, moment had be was about 70 to 75 ethnic groups na were under 16 region. You get almost 100 plus tribes and they were 70 to 75 ethnic groups. Now under 70 to 75 ethnic groups na were under 16 region as one. Bro, had be was non-Ghanaians non-Ghanaian tribes. And Hana will find Fulani wa hasi. Moshe hasi. Nti Fulani ni azemena wo ka kire me amaya hu se if you krompo no sa under 16 region no ethnic groups no se wa mbeka ho a onye Ghana ni and oboshim sisi ya ye nkase Fulani fo ni Ghana omo wo Ghana omo abegye ba bia tena omo te wonom ba sa ba bi na wo te no untimi nklemu nka nche sa region we a wo no eye wo de ba bia wo te region bia wo te so untimi nklemu se sa region we ha eye Fulani for de na just say unfiri Ghana no you get me not just onye dey unfiri Ghana wo de monhwe sa chat we 100 tribes na wo under sa 70 to 75 ethnic groups no yebenya non-Ghanaian tribes omobe like settle down e Ghana for long no yebenya almost 5 to 7 tribes and so what I say and the high now be find Fulani fugu if you crumble no sa statement na wa say no kire yen say wo ye Ghana ni one sa statement kake we no and kire yen say wo ye Ghana ni. So I just want people to understand say Fulani be twefon ebe ba bonte ebe ka kire yen say Ghana for say no omoni ye be ya ye be hu de rule Ghana de e bullshit na ye mpanyimfo to wo hwe no ye mpanyimfo na moto wo hwe no. There is no country Ghana need this bit ma kwa bontana be kasa asem no wo say se mo se mo ma Ghana card mo ma ID card be hu de rule Ghana ensi sa nkuru we ni nyina Ghana need this bie ndar ni wono ma obitima kwa kwatena wo de yemfa se okwatena 80 years Lord ne se kusine bu aka kire say se mo se mo ma Ghana card mo se mo ma ID card ye be hu de rule Niger ye be hu de rule Nigeria ubenya Ghana card ubenya ID card na illegal.
Yeah, bro. Quite some time now, you've been actually hearing on the social media, Fulanis are not Ghanaians. I have been fighting, making some noises here and there. As an optician, as you are the publicity secretary, what? You are the PRO, Public Relations of Ghana Opticians Association, and then the financial secretary of the entire Fulani Council of Chiefs. Yeah. So you are here. You live in the north. Yeah. So we want to know what is your take on that. If someone tells you Fulanis are not Ghanaians and looking at your reputation in Ghana, what do you have to say about it?
All right, thank you very much. Citizenship issue is one of the sensitive issue and then the challenge facing the Fulako or the Fulbe community in Ghana. Everything is in the constitution. So if you want to understand citizenship, anybody who challenges you about your citizenship status, and then you know what the constitution says about citizenship, you don't have to panic, you don't have to be afraid, and you don't have to give the chance for you to be intimidated, okay? Because everything is clear in the constitution, which even our current sitting president made comments on it the time that he was touring the country, okay? So
they said he only said that because he wanted vote.
I'm not sure he only said that because he wanted vote. What he said is clear in the constitution. And then the constitution, the 1992 constitution, that is what is governing us. So if you are a Pulo, you are a Fulbe in Ghana, if you were born in Ghana before the inception of the constitution, you are a Ghanaian. If one of your parents is a Ghanaian, automatically you are a Ghanaian. If you've been adopted by a Ghanaian parent, automatically you are a Ghanaian. If your parents were in Ghana before the independence of Ghana, automatically you are a Ghanaian because Ghana had the independence before the constitution. Okay, so automatically you become a Ghanaian. So if you are a pull-up and then you know about all these things, and then somebody comes to tell you, you don't have to argue with the person. If the person tries to challenge you, fine, you can go to the court. You can send the person to where the interpretation of the law will be done clearly for the person to understand. So this brouhaha going on, I don't actually involve myself too much in it because I know my stand. Somebody will say, I know my right. I know what I have to do to claim my identity, and nobody can challenge me on that because my parents all are Ghanaians, and then I was born in Ghana. One thing that we fail to understand is that Ghana constitution doesn't permit the fact that you are being born in Ghana doesn't make you a citizen of Ghana. That is one thing that I always educate my people about it. The constitution is very clear on it. It is unlike the US constitution, whereby if my sister standing here, Hawa, a Ghanaian, if you go to US now and then you are pregnant and you deliver your baby there, your baby is a US citizen, but you are still a Ghanaian, you are not a US citizen. Okay, your baby will be given US document. You, unless you naturalize and you go through their process to get document. Okay, Ghana is not like that. Ghana is not like that. Unless you have been adopted by a Ghanaian parent, unless you naturalize in Ghana, unless one or two of your parents or your grandparents were in Ghana before the constitution or before independence of Ghana. That is what is made clear in the constitution. So that is what I can tell my people and always telling my people that let's exercise patience. If somebody challenges you, don't argue and don't let it become a fight. You just get the person to where the constitution or the law will be explained, will be interpreted.
Some of them are not ready to hear. Yes, tell you how, where do you come from? I say I come from Boku. No, you don't come from Boku.
Those are the illiterate, educated people. They are the educated, illiterate people. They are there. They know it, but they fail to understand.
They cannot accept the fact that the Fulani is a Ghanaian.
Yes, somebody they will tell you that I know what you are talking about, but I'll never accept it. That one is a mindset the person has made. Don't mind the person. Let the person take the steps of evacuating you or sacking you from the land, and then we'll see. That is where the law will come in. You understand? Exactly. The law is there. If the law has not catch you, you think like everything is free. You can do whatever you want like in the country. Nobody is above the law. Exactly. Even the president, our chiefs are not above the law. Exactly. Recently, Otunfo, His Royal Highness, made a statement that even the chiefs, they are not beyond the law. Exactly. You get it? Exactly. So they go by the law. Everything. Once you are a citizen, you are part of the country. You are not above the law. Exactly. The law regulates everybody in the country. So what I will advise my people is that let's go by the law. Read the law. Have the constitution, and then understand it. The fact that you are not a lawyer doesn't mean that you shouldn't know. These are very, very things you should read and understand.
Hey, Mariam. Hey. Yes, your life and Rose at a bang. And when I meet Christmas, no more party as no more taggy video, no mammy. So, the mimi picture will be picture, and Nipana, or Dimi picture, to so Odimi picture, go to Wachi. And I ought to can your yard. Video man, Timon, mean person, my blast to what count on ya, make Juno Sanka. That's the reality I make a show. Oh, since I overfar be more Gruma on that bender and I post to boy no that bender and I ought to boy Jimmy for no to why more life that. Hey, man, for me, this aquas agrono. Video now we are with me picture to a channel, but mamma explanation and son of account to me falling it down. Let me catch on what. So you're flooding here. For hombre game, no name so you're flooding me. You're more welcome to the war. Me catch on what. Me dem wanna me fire wo video mu me no nya gudi onya me family member onya madamfo so far me no we end the issue no me person me picture kra onze ma be tag picture da me ma sabre ko pman me say crop be video chem ade kra o ye video no de me picture to akiro no ansana maba aba be come me film kwase asema kire
I don't know and they say no by force yama hawa adane blogger e de amagana fo obebu bisa Fulani ni a wo hweme wo ya wo ese onya Ghana ni ye besi su pi wo ye Fulani ni ahodwa ye ma wa beso o ma ya beso ye ni uni asem mo threat amode ba media no so ana ma ya ye mu bi ye kasa sesebe mo ye kasa nkufu bi ye endonko a mo ye ndonko e wo Ghana you are not a Ghanaians mo ye slaves mo dini Fulani fo se girl person no kire ye Ghana Security Service said the means in Casa the address is a Fulani for Akobokron one, Fulani for Akron for, Fulani for Woody for a police for Chiwamono. Or Pequania ABC address woman there, and your Muslim slave because we are Ghana for. We know a Ghana need the answer there, which will be close always see Casala. A young man will move about Badamon. We but the police service how Musi address Macron for the Woody for no. Ye Chikron for Ghana ha. Fulani fofo efa Ghana ni ba kope ayire so ana mienu yake na Fulani fo kroni o ko twikwa brema nyina womu na boye boni o ko twikwa brema nyina womu na boye mo yana mo bobo adamon mo kasa mo nwe ho we TikTok ahwe so create content is it the babu Ghana police service mo ko form video obi ohwe bi enter Ghana police for ena de kire me kwan sin fa address na fa ne fe e fa ne se akronfo Fulani for I say 2 Ghanaians 3 Fulani for no nye Ghana for indirectly I to say obi a wo mu ade na obo yero tumfo o sita be odi automatically obo pege ne mu ana obo bu ne mu ase eya ko bi se ohene na o so ne yewura nya adwene no na se be yewura nya ken no obo ndi ko bu ne mu ase who born dog how dare you enye mo na maye Ghana for and change aban and monya pompous because aban ne say mo na mo se allegedly aban be promise mo enti sane beba na me se me kofa boa be to dem ha na me de amam nua ba olive say olive je olive beje and your birthday you na your birthday happy belated birthday no me imagine say me kwa kwa yimiti aba na baba be wish happy birthday ena me di ko hia me nko hia says onyankopon onhwa onfom free adom nko adom wakoma panti no obenyina che apomuden pa nkwane ahoden na mesrema afesese na yedie sika nkoso chese bibia dobo onyankopon de adom wakoma panti no me be hyiraw achense me hyiraw ne abusua nyina obuo ni osemu abana momato no you guys will regret Ghana for mba regret it. TikTok Ghana for you be made them in Kahu. Ghana for you be far phone chi phone si manim abrochire for ya ho kire mbabo amunya enne mudi bronye obi percent ka abrochire ni bi sani nisika ya the economy na boost ye ho ne yeso so se ntwamwa ne mmoa ne foreigners bi omokrom ha eso enso economy no akora keto ba ko mpo ni ho a yafa oman ni sika se enkora 10 we die every month ye betwa omoka emerwafo sen ne wo Ghana ha nipa dodo sen ne mukunu no omukunu no wu a omoye mabo okrum ha nipa dodo sen ne papa no maame wu omoye mabo okrum ha aban ne hwe omfamla enam peni 40 sika no so enya platform a Ghana economy is stable Ghana is okay Ghana is this Ghana is that economy is okay with akronfo Nigerians no how many of Ghanaians na mutu omoka kwesi bruni ya ne nhihye to the extent say akwara keto nda ho nye social fa befa eka aberewa wonye adwuma otifie social fa afa hoka akokora social ho afa hoka yarefo social fa hoka ma yarefo gu traffic mu pavement ase any pavement so una ntekura onye kwan ntwam nyambe bisamo afi de simahu ese osisa bo so etansoa edane janan ebe soaw ensu beto amfa medican monhwe wempo yobawo wenye bema wempo omumu oba ba kono no hwejimi a wojimi ne ho ono ne o kire Ghana police service kwanyo Ghana police service mo ti akronfo Fulani fo a omo address wo mo ma mu nim nyansa wate unim nyansa kona kusua nyansa udi bia wo nom nkwan undi Ghana aduane wodi fufu saka wodi fufu anka besua nyansa sanka wodi fufu na wo nom nkwan anka besua nyansa authorities betena wa ma wo yakeka se nkwase asem nsem huru ete Ghana ha na bomb yakọ bomb mpanyifo no Flagstars the bomb akoto because they are indigenous we are indigenous Ghanaians are intimidating us killing our cattle aboa munantwie police for na soldier for immigration for kogu munantwie a na obegina bontina usuna ofreko asefo odwan munantwie mo bi tise munantwie mo bi tise mo na mo wo mu no Fulani nia o meka bi ye no nya asem tena se ba ko fo ne kodi mfa ne to efa mo mfantefo mo ti se odwan oba de ntwie oba won na sumie so oba won nim nyansa we kasa no o se Ghanaians jealous them Ghanaians we don't have sense odwan the way fi say Ghana nche et Ghana you do 247 the second na mo apia fo nkwaso o se Ghana the way fi say odwan Ghana president His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne nebusu afọ te Ghana omo ye Ghana for Ojai the way we say we have like rare citizens in Ghana in Penifo kuku na ninti oh mo te Ghana omo free Ghana bi ekopie diaspora what say Ojai we kasa if someone raise and say why are we insulting Fulani some Fulani for mobete so oyi mu a yakwa de say yim say Fulani no one carry no on baby na but makwe sadi we was say some French even Europe countries be one bodam na French countries go makwe san kwese me ho nka uti nwan abaru ya fa Ghana abon ho asafo hene Fulani abon ho asafo hene wo jini and wo dim kwase asem jini sa. How dare you? Who think you are? Who think you are? Em say mo fancy am call hospital aba. Kwa treat nine ko to dwe atwa ye sanso na me na esi for hom so. Je say twetwa wo for fa wo se me kon na me ko treat. Mo fa nche me distraction kakra be mo because na nse me nyako ma me fa wo ensia me call hospital aba. Bo mpa ya na waka me mpa bom na ode mpa wa tamichi. Tweda mpo kwa me besi adoma yi me free akwanhyem no 29 no 29 sorry no 28 ana enka na se new year ndenka me hu bi ati nyankopon adom ti no da so meti ase ekwan a efa so ebo me ma meti ko she car ase nyame nko ase car no traffic esia na o move ye ke bia driver no e de fa me tere so na me adom ti da so ti ase e beto aso aye adwuma pa amagana fo nti wante hu me hwehwa no hu se me hu nhyada amfa me but me yare ama no odin pa do wi ase bakra bye bye.